Alright then. Anyway, good morning. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are here to rejoice in their happiness and find a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? Handa ko mang trato yung wedding? No one, let us continue. Very good. Tayo na kayong dalawa. Sige. Alexandra, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Sige. Irresistol. Are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes.
Okay, yung dalawa. Do you take upon yourselves the duties of marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Okay. Riston, will you have Alexandra to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking on others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
Alexandra, will you have Riston to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking on others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? O, iward yung kising-singan. Follow after me. Ibagang ibaga. Muna ka. Ito okay. Alam si Imanan? O. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Simit lang, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sinasabi nun. Sumangot tayo ito. Anamit wish kimpayo tayo diyan kasal. Ma'am.
Alexandra Riston. May tulak lang. Pagpapadasawa kayo, dapat ang yung responsibility ko. May sa pinansa. Dapat i-prepare kayo para pipitin yung nakapagalitan.
Thank you. Anamit wish kimpayo tayo diyan kasal. Thank you. Ito yung sumama ko. Ito wish kimpayo tayo kasal.
Wish ko kanya yung pagsama kay Kumati na baybayaw din aging inanos kayo kan ano sa niadin ko Alex and ano sa mut ni Alex aging inanos kayo kan amok nga na decided kayo na at journey to biyag with at tabi so higad ko mati maging center sa relationship yun kan alagaan yung tigmay sa kanya.
Thank you.
Yun, nasabi naman na congratulations and good luck sa journey mo.
Thank you. Sa likod, sumama kayo check. Namit wish tayo sa kakasal. Anong wish mo sa magulang mo? Forever na. Sir?
Congratulations for this very memorable day that you have reached in your life. What I can say is that keep the burning flame in your life, of your love. Kung may hindi kayo pagkaintindihan, huwag kayong matulog na hindi yan na-solve. So, lahat ng problema na so-solve, if you take it so calmly, and walang dapat itulog, iwasan yun. And then, ang masasabi ko lang, basta magmahalan kayo kasi yun ang pinakasusi ng pagsasama ninyo. When you love each other, you can endure lahat ng pagsubok, lahat ng mga trials, yung bagyo, yung thick and thin, magsama kayo sa hirap at ginawa. So, congratulations.
Thank you. Hawakan mo yung card niya. Ay, hawakan mo yung kamay niya. Diretso ng dalawang kamay. Both hands. Both hands. O ngayon naman, Alexandra, may vows ka na na-prepare? Ha? Ah, sige. Tapos pa na. Mauna si Alexandra. O, basahin mo from the heart. Sabihin mo sa your husband.
I promise to be your rock, your consent, your confidence, and your biggest supporter. I vow to stand by your side through all the life's challenges and triumphs, to share in your dreams and to build a life full of love and laughter. Thank you for standing as a father for your daughters, for loving you as your own, and for being the role model they look up to. Together, we will create a family filled with love and respect.
Thank you. O naman, Arix, na ano gusto mo sabihin to your wife? O, from the heart.
My wife, I promise to support a family with you in a home, filled with patience, love, and understanding. I vow to grow old with you. I will love you faithfully and unconditionally through difficult and easy times. What may come, I promise to always be there with love, as I have given my love to you.
Thank you. By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor from Bangor, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay, okay now, kiss the bride. Sino mo nag-picture?
Sige na.
Okay lang tayo. Bilang tayo. Okay, sige. Nagkajang witnesses ako, ninong-ninang, at pirma kayo ito, well, pipirmaan na dyan, certificate of marriage. Apat na box. Lecture na sa'yo.
Apat.
Apat na box. Ikaman mo mga yung tatlo. Sige, go.
Okay. Oh, side na. Principals po. Ang mili na. Join na kayo. Mili na.
Gila. Right side, right side. Right.
Kunin ko na nga itong pagkakataon mo.
Okay. Sige.
Mag-isa.
Oh, groom side. Oh, friends. Yes, bumalik ka na.